In general, a project is a temporary endeavor with a specific goal or objective that is completed within a defined period of time, while operations are ongoing business activities that are essential for the organization to function. A project is typically focused on creating a unique product, service, or result, and it often involves a team of people working together to complete the project. This can include defining the scope, identifying the resources needed, creating a schedule and budget, and managing the project to completion. Operations, on the other hand, are the ongoing processes and activities that are necessary to keep an organization running. This can include activities such as manufacturing, marketing, sales, customer service, and finance. Operations are typically focused on maintaining the organization's current products, services, or processes rather than creating new ones. There is often an overlap between projects and operations, as many organizations will have both ongoing operations and specific projects that they are working at any given time. For example, an organization may have a project to design and implement a new product line while also maintaining the existing operations and products. In this case, the project team would work on the new product line while the operations team continue to manage the organization's current products and processes. Imagine manufacturing work. There is a production line and you produce something on that production line. You produce the same thing again and again and again, so this is an ongoing process. Key to understanding operations is that operation is ongoing. You produce the same thing during this ongoing work. Recalling definition of projects have deadlines and they have to be completed, they are temporary, and so this is the main difference between an operation and a project for the sake of exam. Operations and projects can be related to each other as well. Let's think of an example where you work. I work in a factory construction project. Since it's a project, it has to be finished. Once I complete the construction work, the factory will start producing products. Producing products is operational work. Therefore, completion of a project causes operation in this example. Let's say while manufacturing this product, you have some problems with controlling the orders of your customers. To overcome this problem, your company starts a new software project which will provide better management of all the orders. This time, an operation causes that project. There are several relationships between projects and operations. For example, the end result of a project is often integrated into the organization's ongoing operations. For example, a project to develop a new software system may result in a new tool that the organization uses on a daily basis as part of its operations. Operations often provide resources and support to project teams such as personnel, equipment, and facilities. For example, an operations team may provide technical expertise to a project team working on, say, a new product. Projects can have an impact on organizations' ongoing operations. For example, a project to implement a new IT system may require the organization to temporarily adjust its operations in order to manage to accommodate that change. While projects are temporary and focused on creating a specific result, operations are ongoing and focused on maintaining the organization's current product, services, or processes. Projects often involve a dedicated team of people working together to complete the project, while operations may involve a larger group of people working in different departments or functions. The processes and tools used to manage projects may also be different from those used to manage operations. See you in the next lecture.